hope you're having a great morning. You can tell the sun is just glorious today, but the morning started out a little bit weird. Drinking my coffee, 6-something rolls around, power goes out. Okay, so I have baby chicks. So I came out here, I have a little bit of insulated blanket type stuff, put it over the top. I've had that happen before, and I have an EcoFlow little charger. Well, I usually take it on trips, so when we got back from our trip, I didn't recharge it, so mistake number one. But those little EcoFlow batteries are just the best. I mean, it would have been great to hook up, but the chicks are doing fine. They were cold. It was out for about 2 hours. And luckily the temperature was above freezing. So, and I have a heat plate and a heat light. And I got these chicks on Wednesday. So, they're all doing good. We were greeted to a beautiful sunrise, thank goodness. That was kind of enjoyable to watch when the power is out and not doing a whole lot of anything. So, and I got word that I am a new great aunt. Love it. I'm so thrilled. A little baby boy. So, we welcome a new member of the family. So, yay! I can't wait. They live about 9 hours away, so, but still, we'll get up there sometime. And what else happened? I think that's all. Yeah. Goodness, that's good pack morning. Yeah, I think that's it. Whatever. Just got done finishing breakfast and came out to the high tunnel to continue my greenhouse inside of a greenhouse. I'm building a, let's see, it's probably about a 35 by 10 to 15 foot frame inside of this high tunnel. I'll put plastic in it and have my seedlings be a little more controlled instead of such drastic temps. And I can, if I need to, I can run a little heater in there, and don't have this one here is 30 by 100 foot, so there's just no heating it. So yeah, so I'm gonna continue starting. I'm gonna move on with that. Being I'm outside in the greenhouse, I wear a sweatshirt, but I also wear shorts because it does get warm out here. So, but thrilled to have a glorious day on my day off. So, I will update you on what I'm doing, what seeds I'm going to be starting. I've got to get on my eucalyptus. I'll show you an easy way to start eucalyptus. Super simple. I've got to take cuttings. I'm looking at a very old rose. I call it my pump house rose. Not a clue. We've been out here over 30 years. It was full grown when we got here. So, but it's looking a little rough, so I'm going to take some cuttings off of that just so I can preserve it. It is a one-time bloomer, but the perfume is amazing, and beautiful pink multi-petaled roses. So it is glorious, and I don't want to lose it. So bear with me. We'll have a cup of coffee, a little dose of chocolate, and move on. All right, I've got my frame complete. I had to keep on reminding myself that this is not structural. It's not going to be in the weather. I just needed it to hold plastic. So when you overthink things, you become paralyzed. And once I got over that, I got it done. So now I'm just going to go get some plastic. I'm not sure. I have brand new greenhouse plastic, but I might just get some visqueen or sheeting, plastic sheeting, and just do it because it's only going to be up here temporary, just during the seed starting seasons. But I'm pretty thrilled. Now this shelf will, I attached it to this shelf because this makes a great structure. I can staple it to that also. So it should turn out pretty good. So off to go get some plastic. All right, I got my plastic hung. Turned on the heater for a little bit, and oh my goodness, it got hot in here. Got the cleanup crew in here sweeping around. Got the rodent control snooping around. Gonna pick up all the stuff, get everything organized. Yeah, this turned out far better than I thought it was going to. I gotta take that curtain down. And yeah, lots to clean up, but it is finished. And the Tweeties can't get in here. Hopefully not. They probably will find a way. So you have to go out in the garbage can. Just put the broom down. Snapdragon's looking good. Whoop, one lettuce. Do I have any more coming up? Nope, not yet. Oh, getting a little leggy. Okay, well, we're off to a good start. I feel a little bit more. Sorry, English teacher. Better about starting seeds and not having so many insect or rodent issues. And with the cold temperatures coming up, I'm excited to see how this does. So we've got to get the green stock in here and plant up all these lovely geraniums. And I will be putting the eucalyptus, lime, lemon, and another eucalyptus in here before it gets really cold. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.